under sail. Wow. We are officially leaving Colombia. Didn't know when we'd see this day, but here it is. Well, for better for worse. Panama, here we come. Definitely like to say a very heartwarming thank you to Colombia hospitality. We met a lot of great people, a lot of great friends.
Very warm out.
We'll hope to see you again. We don't know when that might be, but we certainly appreciate and enjoyed the time that we spent here. So to all of you, thank you. We salute you. We hope to see you again. First watch down, Maddie's on next. Yeah, conditions are perfect. Beautiful sailing, it's 10 o'clock. So let's see, 10 a.m. We've already done almost 20 miles. So we left harbor channel maybe just after 8 o'clock. So 2 hours, we've done 19 miles.
How many?
19 miles.
Wow.
18 miles, something like that. Just over 2 hours. So yeah, we're averaging about 8 knots, which is nice, 7.5 to 8. Sea state's good, we got 1.5 to 2 meters. They're nice and steady. Winds 16, 17 knots on the beam. Heading 155 degrees magnetic. Straight for Colón, Shelton Bay Marina. Very, very nice sail so far. We've been blessed.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunny day. Clear water, clear air. You can see the horizon like a razor. We just passed Boulevard Key back there. You can see it over on the side, eh, Maddie? That's Boulevard.
You didn't beat them. Wow. In 2 hours.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good. See, we're averaging over 7 knots, 200 miles to go. Right on course. Perfect.
That do you? That? I think the same you are a lot of times that in Panama was always short sail last time.
Well, this is definitely more of a challenge.
He's very happy.
Right away.
You don't have. You don't have to hold. Tell me if you want to button.
The sun's gone. The day starts to finish. First day of your adventure.
Sun is down. The moon's next. Can't wait.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Some kind of morning.
Time to work out.
Massive attack. Yeah, guys, sunrise.
So yes, I didn't get much sleep last night because as I was about to come on watch, I started hearing a very loud clunking noise down below. Wasn't sure what it was, but it definitely didn't sound good. I woke up and Rick was on watch and I saw him looking at the floor going, what the hell was that? So obviously he could hear it too. But then we didn't hear it again for a while, so I relieved Rick, he went down below for his nap, and I took over for the midnight watch. Wasn't about 20 minutes later, I started hearing that clunking again and I could really feel it in my feet. So I remember sitting there thinking, this is not good, I gotta go have a look. So I went down below and opened up the access area to the rudder quadrant, and didn't take long to see that our whole rudder mount was swaying back and forth with no support. Turns out the top support is made of heavy steel, but after 26 years of me putting this boat through 100,000 plus sea miles of hell, it finally gave out on our maiden voyage out of quarantine. The top support is 2 metal I-beams that are welded between 2 metal supports across 2 fiberglass braces. All the welds on the I-beam have severed, so the I-beams, which are directly coupled to the top of the rudder post, are now swinging around free. This is not good, and the autopilot is accentuating the problem because it's overcorrecting all the time. So this is why we had a very long night. Starting at midnight, I had to start training everybody how to hand steer in the dark. We needed to keep all stress off the lower rudder mount to make sure that we didn't cause a fracture in the fiberglass, or we would start taking on water fast and there'd be no way to correct it at sea. Our next little adventure involved another noise that, again, got our attention very quickly. Rick and I were on watch, and standing near the companionway, I heard a noise start grinding away, and I had no idea what it was. We ran down below, trying to figure out if some kind of motor or bilge pump or something shorted out, was something on fire, blowing up, what the hell was going on? All I know is it was loud, and we couldn't find the source. Then we heard the chain start rattling and realized the windlass is engaged and dumping the anchor in the ocean. My first thought was to run up on deck and try and save it, but I knew we were upwind and big waves, and that would be problematic. So first response was whip open the cabinet inside the salon and trip the breaker. That shut it down immediately, and the sound groaned to a halt. Okay, so now we had to go up on deck and find out what happened. We put the boat downwind to keep the waves from breaking off the bow, clipped on our harnesses, and wandered forward. Got the forward access hatch open, and it didn't take long to figure out what the problem was. If you remember way back when, Sebastian and I had installed new switches on the windlass box. We even put them well out of the way so they couldn't be engaged by accident. Well, as fate would have it, in our rush to put things away when we were getting ready to head to sea, somebody, not naming any names, stuffed all the mop handles into the cabinet and left them standing upright. And guess what? One of the mop handles fell over on a big wave, and of course, what else would it hit but the windlass switch? Held it there and dumped all our chain and anchor in the ocean. Well, almost. I'd say we had over 150 feet out, which is a lot. So trying to winch that back up in the middle of the ocean, it turned out to be a bit of a challenge. Luckily, the windlass didn't crap out on us. We got it back. But lesson learned. Even with a safety switch on the windlass box, still pays to shut off the breaker when heading to sea. Was your mop? Your mop fell over in the locker and knocked both the switches on. Ugh. That was close. Stay low. Get down low, very low, and just climb back. Come on. Low, low, low. You're carrying your weight too high. Okay, climb in. In and down. Okay, touchdown. Phew. Fuck! That's what we call a sea anchor. What heading we at? 128. Shut this one off. Well, let's get back on track first. Okay. Alright, we can put our jib back out here if you want to hold the wheel again. Yeah, that should get our speed back up pretty quickly. Oh.
We are running.
First time that happened, but see, somebody on the channel was right. They said watch those switches because somebody's going to leave something near that box one day, going to turn that switch on and see. Yeah, I said no, it'll never happen, but it might happen. Well, there you go, it happened. Alright. Okay. day's work. Now let's just pray for the rudder.
How many miles?
We got one ship 4 miles off our bow. Another one 16 miles behind us. So 4 miles off our bow up ahead.
So we did catch up with the sailboat that left the day before us.
Where?
It's 4 miles up.
Oh.
We almost arrived. Panama. And if you can see, we are close Colon. You see all these ships and cargo ships. You see all these cargo ships. Never actually finish. There are so much.
Everything's still about 3 miles away.
Yeah.
We're gonna weave our way through this rat's nest of ships. They're everywhere.
Yeah. They are everywhere, yes. Wow! How many? How much they are?
That's a lot of ships.
Hello.
All
Wow.
underneath it. And we're kind of skating right through their backyard. Shelter Bay Marina, Shelter Bay Marina, Shelter Bay Marina. Building Captain Sophisticated Lady, Channel 7-4. Copy. I think he's just using a little handheld, so he's not getting out. But call him when we're closer. Shelter Bay Marina, this is Sophisticated Lady 7-4. Wasn't copying you that we do trying to fly, but just know that we are on approach to the canal entrance, about 2 miles out. We'll try you again when we're inside the canal entrance over there.
Wide awake tonight as we counted all the planes go by. We talked like everything has changed, like a miracle drug that cures the pain. I don't want this night to fade, 'cause we don't feel this way no more. We're laughing till our bodies hurt, and takes me to this place like we were just kids. Slow it down or it can be gone, like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once, now ours, like we were just lost up in space. We found each other through the stars, like we were just kids. Like we were just kids. Keep me by your side, kaleidoscopes running through my mind. We looked like we were both insane, all day, all night to tessellate. just can't slow it down or it can be gone. Like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once now ours. Like we were just lost up in space. We found each other through the stars. Like we were just kids. Like we were just kids. Someday when we don't believe it no more, and we forget the way that we felt before, back to the places that we used to know, we'll be lying here once more. Like we were just kids. 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 Like we were just kids.
Sorry, was that distant shore? Is that what I heard?
Dr. Bay, this is Distant Shore 3. I just heard a sophisticated lady trying to call you on 74.
I see them out there. Apparently the relay. You can tell them as they get closer, we would get better frequency. It'll probably be turn in. You can tell them.
Roger, relay. Sophisticated lady. Distant Shore 3, over.
Yeah, Cheryl, I copied Eddie. Let him know that we're not set up for stern in. We are just coming in off the ocean. We've got everything hung up on the transom right now. We're just coming in. I'm not sure where he's got in mind, but if the fuel dock is free, I'm going to pull in there, set up for starboard tie, and we can then he can let us know where he wants us to go from there, if that's okay. Over.
Roger, copy that.
Like we were just kids. Like we were just kids. Like we were just kids. Like we were just. Like we were just kids. Whoa, slow it down or it can be gone. Like we were just kids. The feeling that we had once now ours. Like we were just lost in space. We found each other through the stars. Like we were just kids. Like we were just kids.
Buenas tardes. Ciao, Eddie, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Bien? Me alegro. Dime. ¿Qué hay, Rick? ¿Qué hay, Eddie? Okay. Perfecto.
And touchdown.
Yeah.
Welcome to Panama.
Can I just touch my feet to the ground?
No, we need to wait.
you're on court.
You need to
Oh
wait.
my God.
Then you go, Robert and
Robert.
Karina.
Hello.
Hello.
Another Rick.
Okay, Rick, welcome. Welcome
Thank
to
you, sir.
Shelter Bay.
And
Hey,
you,
good to
how
be
are
back.
you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. A little tired, but I'm fine.
Thank you for waiting.
Oh, anytime.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, that sun really blinds you, huh? You're not the first boat that says that, so.
Yeah, it's a bad time to come in, but
Yeah,
it's what we
it's
had.
okay. No, we were expecting you later on tonight, but
Oh, okay.
glad you came a little earlier.
Yeah, we had a good sail down. It was fairly fast, but yeah, we just arrived a little bit after. So we
Okay.
sailed the whole thing.
How many days did you stay here?
3 days, 3
Okay.
days.
Yeah.
Because of Colombia.
Yeah, it's okay.
I was going to show you over there, that one there, on the other side.
Oh, it's a Russian boat.
Other side of the dock?
Oh, nice!
Wow, it's a Russian ship.
Other side of the dock.
Slavianka.
So
Okay.
just on the other side of the red boat?
Hey, Russia! Привет, Россия, 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 Россия.
Figured you'd be coming in.
Now next to the Russian boat.
Yes.
Slavianka.
Dude, Slavianочка.
Well, we feel as if we know you from the video.
For those of you who don't remember, these are our friends Distant Shores, Paul and Cheryl Shard.
Thank you so much.
Just coming down to say hi.
After 17 months around in Colombia, but
Salud, guys.
so good to see you.
Thank you so much for the relay on the radio. That was a big help.
Glad to be of help. Glad to see
These
you.
guys still need to get better radios, I see.
Yeah, and Eddie the marker. More beat.
They're brand new, look.
Well, welcome.
Thank you very much. Good to see you, Paul.
You got a quarantine day or two to do, or just the test, right?
Well, we come from Colombia, so we got to stop for 3 days.
3 days quarantine.
So they're going to put us over there somewhere, I believe.
But do you want now, Eddie, or tomorrow morning?
So if we're running, we might as well go now.
Preferably now, that way tomorrow won't have to bother you with this.
Yeah, 'cause somebody's going to be wanting the fuel dock early, so.
Hi.
You guys, you ready? Okay, going in reverse.
Scooter, he's on the way there now.
Electric scooter. This guy. Really
Ah, nice welcome, Rick.
May be a while, he just wiped out.
fast.
Now he's doing stunts.
Sochi! Ugh.
Dude, the reaction was perfect. Oh.
What do you want first?
Oh, Zimbiki.
What do you
Tell me
want
the
first?
stern.
Mine?
Stern. Well, the spring, it's
Hey,
everyone.
hey,
The stern's
hey.
not going to make it.
It's not so long.
It's okay. The spring you'll be able to. You got it.
Spring attached.
You got it. Let me get
Good,
that.
I got it.
Don't back off a little bit more. Excuse me.
No, wait.
Back up, right. Back.
Back.
Moving forward. Bringing it in.
Wait.
I leave it to the professionals.
Hey, Eddie.
Yeah.
Take that spring forward to the next cleat,
Okay.
and then we'll get a spring aft afterwards. Okay. We good on the bow? Or you want it backwards?
Well, glad you guys are here. Hope you had a smooth voyage.
Okay, Maddie.
Yeah.
Grab that midships line, take it off, and we're going to put it here as an aft cleat, okay?
Okay.
Oh, I think we should be okay, but we'll be able to stay in touch at least.
Yes, yeah.
And 'cause, yeah, we stocked up like we were crossing the Pacific before we left Colombia.
Okay, no, that's great.
Everything in Colombia is so much cheaper than here.
Yeah. We'll let you settle, guys.
We're going to take it here and go
Thank
aft.
you.
Thanks so much, guys. Thank you. Thanks, Paul.
We're so excited to see you.
Yeah, we can talk to you in the meantime, and I guess see you Wednesday maybe.
Actually, do you mind if we do a selfie with you?
Not at all.
Distance selfie.
Yeah.
Got it?
You guys need anything from the restaurant?
We need to decide.
Okay, I can have the restaurant people come here and give you a menu.
Okay, thank you.
I don't know if we have to do
Anti or
Antigeno.
Okay.
Abbiamo hecho l'antigeno.
Yeah, now I got a passport, so I don't know if that would be sufficient or not. I don't think so.
See, don't do shit for you.
Done 7-0.
All right.
We have so much food on board.
Yeah, we have a lot of food.
Thank you.
See you again, Rick.
Thank
But
you
they
very
need
much,
to
sir.
go.
Appreciate everything, Eddie.
I watch your videos, by the way.
Even better, thanks, man. All right, we'll get
Che
that.
descansa.
Exactly what I'm feeling now,
Che descansa.
but it's impossible to hide. Oh, we can go across the oceans and see the world tonight. Oh, say hello to the mountains and watch the new sunrise. But no matter what the country, the city, the street, by land or by sea, together forever is my favorite place to be. Together forever. Together every time, it's always you that's on my mind. Together we can go across the ocean, see the world tonight. Say hello to the mountains and watch the new sunrise. But no matter the country, the city, by land or by sea, together is my favorite place to be. We can go across the ocean.
You won that lottery. Won or lost? I don't know. That's like drawing the short stick.
Except this one's really long.
Okay.
You gotta move over this way.
Of course.
Sorry, Rick. Bye.
Jeez, my-
Don't move, okay?